Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering meat shawarma that you can enjoy at home with your family and friends. Shawarma is a popular Middle Eastern dish made with marinated meat, grilled, and served in a wrap with vegetables and sauces. It's easy to make and always a crowd pleaser, so let's get started. Ingredients: 1 pound of boneless beef, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 to 6 pita bread, shredded lettuce, sliced tomatoes, onions, and cucumber, garlic sauce, tahini, or hummus for serving. First, we need to marinate the meat. In a bowl, combine olive oil, vinegar, paprika, cumin, coriander, salt, and black pepper. Mix well. Cut the meat into thin strips and add them to the bowl. Toss to coat evenly with the marinade. Cover the bowl and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Preheat the grill or a skillet over medium-high heat. When it's hot, add the meat and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, flipping occasionally until it's fully cooked and slightly charred. Warm the pita bread in the oven or on the grill for a few minutes until soft and pliable. To assemble the shawarma, spread some garlic sauce, tahini, or hummus on the pita bread, then add the cooked meat and the vegetables on top. Roll the pita tightly and secure it with a toothpick. Serve immediately and enjoy. And there you have it, a delicious and easy recipe for homemade meat shawarma. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.